Make access to your most frequently visited sections of Paragon faster with quick links. Quick links are located at the very bottom of the Paragon screen and are available no matter where you are in the system. You'll find a couple there now, which are set by default. Quick links can be customized by tapping the gear icon in the bottom right corner. A pop-up modal will appear for you to set your quick links. The available fields are the various sections you can add. Note that a maximum of 6 items can be added. Everything you see when you first come to this pop-up is related to search. Notice the menu categories drop-down. Here, you can customize which menu section you have open to add quick links. If you are frequently running searches, make sure to add the type of class you search most as a quick link. In addition to adding the residential search, I'd also like to add the auto hot sheet. By checking both and clicking add, I can add them at the same time. If you don't know, the auto hot sheet will automatically pull updates from the last time you ran a hot sheet search. I'll remove what was set as a quick link by default by checking them and clicking remove. Switching categories to listings, I'll add the residential class since I add residential listings most often. Next, I'll update to contacts and add contact and view manage contacts. You can add quick links from preferences, the tax menu, anything from resources. Just think about the sections of Paragon you use most often. Once you've finished, click Save. Now with one click, you'll have access to your most used sections of the system. Paragon Connect has something similar called Quick Actions. Paragon Connect is built for any device, particularly your mobile devices, so even on your phone, you'll have quick access to what you need. Although it's not customizable, you can access the power search listings based on your location, run a residential search, add and edit listings, access your saved searches, review properties you are monitoring, and access your listing carts all with just a single tap. Customize your quick links today and be sure to check out the quick actions in Paragon Connect. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, please visit the Prime MLS Help Desk.